And so my day, I break down into three phases, and this is what really works for me for the longest time. I don't suggest you follow this rigorously, but understand the framework and the principles behind the framework, and it's going to help you with your productivity. It's certainly going to help with your performance, and even you might find your profitability and your peace of mind. Now, as I'm managing my tasks, I'd like to time chunk or task chunk these things together. That at certain times, I like to batch the tasks that are similar around the same time. So I don't have to do a lot of cognitive switchings. When you're doing emails or whatever, part of your brain is lit up, at this cognitive web, this neurological web. And I don't want to go from thing to light that up, to shut it down, turn on another one and go back and forth, because you could waste a lot of time to regain your focus. You could also lose a lot of energy. We talk about multitasking and people trying to multitask and make more mistakes, but it also takes a lot of brain glucose to be able to do all that. And so the three different phases, I'm thinking about morning, afternoon, and evening. And I have a primary drive in terms of a focus for those three different parts of my day.